That's right.
You can fly.
Hey guys, we're on. Hello everyone, welcome back to MTV Bases News-ish. We got an awesome show lineup for you today. But before we get underway, let's introduce our lovely panel.
Yes.
We've got Tinashe Venge, the only Pokemon trainer on the panel.
Yes.
Then we've got Farida Mitsileng, one half of Oh Lord. Oh Lord.
Yes.
Nina Hasty, the lover of the chocolates.
Yes.
Come on. Paula, the first lady.
Yes.
Here we have the guy. So tell us more. Oh, I'm also on the show. That's so dope. It's good to be back.
It's great to be back.
Thank you very much.
How was Fest?
Sorry.
Fest, I was in Grahamstown.
Yeah.
Grahamstown's a Right. That's it. Tell us about Oh Lord, your group.
Oh Lord is doing great things.
Yes.
We've been approached by some couple of people over the Sweden. We say we've got to check our schedule because currently I'm actually about to jet over to PE.
But anyway, Nina was so inspired by Oh Lord. In fact, she made her own music.
Really?
Yes.
Yes.
Here we go. Let's check out Nina doing a thing. Here we go.
Yo, 1 2 1 2. Nigga na manje, welele magenge. Sure.
What's up? You good?
Yeah, no, like grams. Like I'm a rapper, like.
Okay.
Like I'm from the Bronx.
Okay.
You know, like Bronx Street.
Oh, Nicki Minaj.
Nigga na manje on the mic flow, off the top of my dome. Check my microphone.
Yeah.
Got it on the phone.
Got it. You got it.
Yeah.
We don't have space.
Space for what? Is this a quota thing?
So,
Hey guys, my whole dreams, crushing my dreams. Tell me Wi-Fi password.
it could be. We don't have space for the phone.
Yeah, no, it's fine. Now,
But this is how I have
Shut up.
So,
Shut up.
bye-bye.
I just want to talk a bit about my video. Yo, it's kind of like, I was just thinking about Casper, you know, because like Casper, like, yo, like there were so many rappers, but how many rappers have a pondo? Where does he get the hair? Sometimes I'll be at a party and you just see like one braid lying on the floor and you're like, I know you left that there for me, baby. Does he wear a duke at night? Nicki Namanje, Sebangena. I'm out. Yo, Nicki Namanje on the mic flow. What? Off the top of my dome, huh? Except we not at the dome. What? I'm on the microphone. I'm in Hyde Park. That rhymes with sock and also Darth Vader. Don't be a hater. Just drink Gator. Hey, I drank it once when I was in America. Yo, shout out to Monica, whoever that is. Monica. What? Okay. My little pondo. My little pondo. My little pondo. Thick as a brondo. What hair pieces should there be? What? Oh, my little pondo. Thick as a brondo. To my own hypes. What? Oh, my little pondo. My little pondo. Do you use yaki braids from Kinky? My little pondo. What? My little pondo. You don't even know what that is. Josie to Cape Town, Durban to Moptown. Where will our next adventure be? You bought a bus, I've got an Uber. X, not black, because it's expensive. Ciao. My little pondo, let the pondo be your guide. Shout ups to Casper and your vest. Touch my breast. It rhymes with. Peace drops mic.
Monica.
Nina, I just want to know, who's your ghostwriter though?
Honestly.
Those lyrics were
No,
flying.
guys, just saying,
This
like,
is Nicki Minaj now.
I'm, you know, like, for real though, like, it's straight off the top of my dome. Those are like straight up freestyles.
Wow.
Yes.
Like
Nah, I
cell
mean,
phone
like
freestyles or real
freestyles.
freestyles?
We wildin'
Like-
out. You know what I'm saying?
I get you, girl.
Straight up.
Shit.
What it is, Monica.
Hey.
This is like
Oh, I'm Monica. Hey, wait.
it's like Casper and Sway freestyle. There's
Yeah. No, I'll just.
lots of choking happening over here. So we've got an incredible show lined up for you today. Our guest is the one and only host
Yes.
of Ridiculousness Africa.
Yes.
Thomas Gumede is going to be in the building. Yes. We're going to show you all the cool videos. And if you can't make those videos, Mushendi is going to show you how to do those.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes. Also, we play insert with Sandile GQ talking to Nasty C about his accident. Crazy things happen. Almost.
Nasty C.
Yeah. Tinashe, you're going to get us acquainted with the guest of today's episode.
Let's do it. Let's go.
go.
I'm excited.
This tonight.
Everybody's going crazy about Pokemon Go right now, including myself, and I'm busy looking for my new... Ah, there it is! Give me a sec, give me a sec. Okay. I've been looking for a Squirtle for the longest time. I finally have a water Pokemon, but that's not what we're here to discuss today. We are talking about the one and the only Thomas Gumede, who is one of the hottest entertainers that South Africa has seen, and I'm serious about hot. Have you seen him? Anybody who can date Nomuzi is... Did he date Nomuzi or Nomzam? Or both? Okay, we'll find out later. Cyberk, where are you? Ah, there you are, there you are. Got your... There we go. It's been a while. Yeah, so I first saw Thomas Gumede in 2006 on television, and since then he has blown up. I mean, this guy has done international comedy festivals. He's been nominated for a SAFTA award. He started Long Walk to Freedom and Ayanda, and now he is the host of MTV's Ridiculousness Africa alongside Boiti and... Who's it? Basket Mouth, right? Yeah, exactly. I'm looking forward to seeing him on the screens. Yes! Caught a damn Blastoise, man. Do you know how hard those are to get? I had to like open the... Okay, anyway. So Thomas Gumede is really a very fascinating guy, and let's head back to the studio and find out firstly if he's interested in joining me on my Pokemon Go adventure, and more importantly, what he got up to in Spain, what his plans are for the future, and how he's dealing with all the attention that he gets from the ladies. My name is Tinashe Venge. I'm the hype... there's one more here. I'm the hype writer. I love y'all, but I gotta get back to my game.
Hey everybody, welcome Thomas Gumede! How you doing, sir? I'm fantastic, man. So happy to have you on the show with us. High five, everybody. I don't know how we're gonna... Bluetooth.
I started that.
What?
Did you?
Bluetooth high five.
You're gonna claim the Bluetooth?
No, you didn't. You can't.
I claim it.
can't.
I claim the land. I claim Bluetooth high five.
Nina van Riebeck. Thomas, for our next segment, we'll ask you some quick fire questions, yeah? You're gonna either answer yes, no, or no comment. Let's start with Tinashe.
So I saw recently that Rob Dyrdek endorsed you for Ridiculousness Africa as a host. Did you cry when that happened?
Yes.
Really? Oh, that's beautiful. At least you're honest. A lot of people have been asking about this on Twitter. Are you going to be verified anytime soon?
Verified on Twitter?
Yeah.
If I knew how to do it, I would have done it. I don't know how to do it. I just genuinely don't know how do you go about it. And I'm scared to ask someone. Because then it's also like, then you don't deserve to be verified. How to get verified, then stay away.
You must go to a cell phone shop in Fordsburg.
My first question, because we know that you're very, very talented, and you've had your hand in music, you acting, you in almost every film.
Don't count the music.
Yeah, no, I don't
No, but
definitely don't.
listen, and it wasn't a damn terrible song.
It wasn't, but I mean, you have to respect every craft, and that
But
was like one day in the studio, and you have to do it for years and years and years.
Well, my question
You know
was,
what I'm
would
saying?
you actually do it for real?
If I didn't do that one song, I would have thought that I could have always done it. Then I realized it's not about the song, it's a lifestyle, it's every day.
Yeah.
Most I ain't good, that's when you're gonna come up with good. It's not like, okay, at 2, I have a studio appointment today, and I'm gonna make a song.
Is it true that you once dated Nomzamo and Nomuzi at the same times?
Yo!
Jeez.
That's a lot. That's
My
a lot.
dog, come on, man. Look at me. Look at
Just Thomas.
Get out of here, man.
My question to you, Thomas Gumede. Have you eaten today?
I have not. No, I have.
That is
I
a
did,
no.
I did.
That's a yes.
It's a yes.
That's maybe.
It's a yes.
That's tonight. I love it.
It's a matching outfit.
Hi, babes! Oh, guys, I think I found my boyfriend.
Let's see what's happening here.
I don't have a second question. Oh.
I just opened your zip.
Okay.
Guys, no.
Wow.
This is, yeah, you guys are doing your own.
Always a sexy show. Like, just a spicy sexy show.
I don't have a second question. I'm
Karina's
never.
always trying to get with whoever's the guest.
But now I
Oh, so
found
this
my
is
man.
not exclusive to me.
No, I found my man.
How many times has this zip been open today?
Even Kenny Kunene was in the mix. He was here trying to get a sushi date. We remember. Nina, do you have a question?
Yes, Thomas. Hi, how's it?
I'm good, how are you?
Good, thanks.
There must be more.
Did you know that your mom is my Zulu teacher?
I did know at some point, had a lot of patrons during knowing this, forgot at some point, and was just reminded right now.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
cool. So yes, that's a yes. Okay.
I'm so bad at yes or no. I just realized. Yeah.
Question.
I know.
Tinashe, you got the latest news for this week. What's been going on the interwebs?
Guys, it's been absolutely crazy.
I won. I was not nominated.
I was
Wow.
actually.
I know, that was my bad. I didn't do my research.
Talking about Nomuze Nomzama. What you're just like?
Yeah, so Double HP has also had a very difficult year.
What happened with Double H?
Double HP has had a difficult year, and this week he revealed that someone stole his hard drives with his life's work.
Yes, pornography.
But
No, I'm just.
He's
Sorry.
not on my phone. A man is a rapper.
It's been a rough week for the president also.
oh man, it's been very, very difficult. So has anybody seen Ayanda Mobulu's latest painting?
Yes, I've
saw
seen
it.
two.
Gupta's. Yes,
saw it.
exactly. He's got like an entire series, and he says he's not going to stop until Zuma leaves office.
Do your thing. That man has seen things of that nature.
Ayanda thinks a couple of paintings are gonna get Zuma out of office, then he's gonna.
Guys, Zuma was at the Afrotainment Marquee at Deben Chula. Okay, you think he cares about this painting?
He really doesn't.
Last but not least, there's things happening up north with our Zimbabwean comrades.
That's right, guys.
Yeah.
Things happening right here with our Zimbabwean comrades.
Well, very. It's rough. It's rough to be. What's going on? What's going on?
Okay,
in
no, it
Zimbabwe?
really has been serious. Last week there was a nationwide protest.
Yeah.
People stayed at home because they haven't been getting paid.
Yes.
They were protesting against corruption in the country and just the mismanagement of the economy from the government. This week they arrested the person who organized the protest. He was
Yeah.
at the heart of it, Pastor Ivan.
Yeah.
And they charged him with treason just for organizing something on social media. Eventually it didn't last. People protested again and he was finally released. And I know that on Thursday afternoon, some South African or Zimbabweans based in South Africa protested at the US Embassy in Pretoria. I mean, the Zim Embassy in Pretoria. I'm tired of these embassies.
Yes.
Yeah.
You know what's crazy?
Quite hectic.
When he was in court, they asked Tuzi's lawyer, and 50 people put their hands up.
Wow.
Whoa.
Then it was just like next level type things. We're gonna go to an ad break. We'll see you guys right after this. MTV Base Music.
At Brixazo.
What up, everybody? Welcome back to Newsish. Please follow us at MTV Base South. The hashtag is Newsish. Scandal. Today's been a crazy week. Nasty C was an accident.
Get off Mojack.
Get off of me. I'm taking girl.
I'll do a brand.
Okay, thank you for that.
Jeez.
Nasty
It's my
C.
hero.
Crazy accident. What do you think? What do you think of the whole incident with Nasty C? Thomas?
People just need to be careful. We all get into accidents. You know,
Yeah.
so thank God to survive. You know, everyone gets into accidents.
Yeah.
So, yeah, just be more careful. Uber X.
Yeah.
Uber something.
Uber Paki.
Uber parking.
Let's be safe.
Just
Uber
as long
parking,
as,
guys.
look, I think if you're not trying to look for trouble, then you will survive accidents.
Yeah.
But if you're like out there drinking and driving, you're more than likely.
Sure.
Racing, yeah.
So we've got to be responsible on the
Yeah.
streets, yeah?
And seat belts as well. That's an
belts,
important thing.
yeah.
And
Condoms.
you know, anything that says protect.
Strap up.
Okay, go.
No
That's-
glove. No
Walk
glove.
into every aisle that has some something that's gonna
Protect you.
In fact, wear the condom while you are driving.
And put your seatbelt on.
And put your seatbelt on.
We're gonna go to Sandile, GQ, and Nasty C talking about the incident. Let's see what happened.
We were on our way to our first gig. We had like a bunch of gigs that night. I think we had like 4.
All right.
We were gonna do 2 here in Joburg, and we were still gonna have like a long drive to Durban.
Same night?
Yeah, but it all ended quick, like early. We didn't even get to the first gig. On our way to the first gig, there was like a car that was coming in from the other side of the lane and ran straight into my side of the car. The car spun around a bit and went straight into a ditch. Luckily, the driver. Yeah, because if he had panicked or let go of the steering wheel, I think we'd have went to the other side. It's like oncoming traffic.
And the guy that bumped you, is he okay?
Hey, his car flipped over, man, and he was in like the back of the ambulance for quite a while. So he got hurt, I'm pretty sure. But he's fine too. He lived.
So that was quite intense. Nice to see, but he survived.
Sorry, Nasty.
Thankfully. We're gonna move on to maybe some things.
His next rhymes.
Next one,
I was chilling in my car the other day that just got hit. You know, and like, I died.
Yeah.
And you know rappers after they nearly die. Exactly.
Yeah.
Career sky high.
Just made it out the crash. New track, that's a smash. Anyway, Tinashe, what's been happening on the interweb? What's been happening?
This is the only useful article that I wrote this week.
Honestly.
Thomas, I think you'll be glad to see it was factually correct. I did my research and I didn't offend anybody. It's all about Pokemon Go. Is anybody playing here?
This is ridiculous.
I downloaded it.
No,
Okay.
this is ridiculous.
News-ish. This is news-ish.
No, I didn't say
That's
this.
ridiculous. No, that's ridiculous.
That's what the hell is going on here?
This is ridiculous. Manso, you said you
I
downloaded it?
downloaded it yesterday.
Okay, have you played?
I haven't played yet because the server's down.
Oh no.
There's a lot of people playing. There's a lot of grown people
What
wasting
is it?
company time, running
So
around
basically,
looking for Pokemon.
You download the game on your phone, and it'll show you where the Pokemon are, right?
Exactly.
Where? When you say
In your environment, it scans your
obviously
environment.
on your phone, not with your naked eye. You won't see Pikachu.
so you're looking for something on your phone, huh?
Yes.
It's in real life, like a video, but you see it on the screen.
It's augmented reality.
Yeah.
That's the term. Look at that.
He came back with
Hiya, great.
He shut down all of Super Augmented.
So you go to geolocations, it'll show you a Pokemon, you catch it, you battle people.
Yeah.
So why is this game so big? Why is everybody on
I
it?
mean, we grew up watching Pokemon and wanting to live out those fantasies.
No. You grew up doing the thing. We are grown people. I was playing Marvel.
Always detaching
we were
themselves.
watching Dragon Ball Z.
Thank you.
Real
Tinashe,
Okay.
you can
Pokemon. Even
DBZ
listen to
came
it.
off.
Poke a man. Come on, dog. We were playing Dragon Balls. Z. My nigga, come on, dog.
I'm actually gonna cry.
You can redeem yourself. You can redeem
I
yourself.
grew up watching Pokemon. I said, oh well. I said, by we, you mean who?
We're gonna take an ad break. We're gonna bend down a house with our Gundwanis. We'll see you after this. This hand needs to get out of my shot. See you now, guys.
Guess the icon.
She said, I never wanna make you mad. I just wanna make you.
We fell in love on the first date. The first date. A beautiful.
We the baddest team. Woo, we the baddest team. Ah, yeah. That's high school. That's why I like it.
Celebrating Icons Weekend. This weekend, my life, my base.
Hello everybody, welcome back to MTV Base's Newsish. Please follow us on MTV Base South. The hashtag is Newsish. Now, we're gonna cut to some incredible clips. Thomas Gumede has brought us some lovely gifts.
What have you brought us?
Clips.
Oh.
From ridiculousness.
I thought it was presents.
What have you brought us? You heard the man. Thomas has brought us.
Yeah, just enjoy the good tidings. Let's see what's going on ridiculousness. Crazy. That was. What did you think of that guy dancing by himself? That was weird.
What was happening there?
That's my father.
And he looks like he's like, wow!
Michael Jackson vibes. Yeah, he's there.
I feel like he was the only normal one there.
Everyone else.
What was?
Yes.
It was faced one way with their fingers in the sky, not and there's music playing, and he was dancing, but we say he's the weird.
Like the people at the festival are standing.
Yeah.
And he's dancing.
I feel like she had headphones on while everyone else was jamming to something else.
That right foot had that spasm going like a young...
Don't you guys know the Bronco Sprite shake?
What is that?
What is that?
What is that?
That's what she was doing.
You're gonna have to
You want to show us quickly?
Shake. Yeah.
BSS.
Is that the Broncos?
Yeah, that's the when you're trying to find your feet when you're so drunk.
Okay.
Look, guys, don't try this stuff at home, but what we do have is Musha and Digi showing us things that we can try at home. Let's see what Musha has in store for us. Take it away.
What's up, guys? It's Musha and Digi here with the very ashy hands, which... Okay, let's start all over. My name is Musha and Digi. I'm on the rise of Sharon Nabagan, no paper, you know what time it is. All right, guys, ridiculousness, Africa is here to stay right there with Thomas Gumede, Basket Mouth, and our favorite South African sangoma. It's here, Makosi in the build. So now, the tagline is, don't try this at home. But guess what? I have got your back. So now I'm going to show you things that you actually can do at home. So it's like ridiculousness without the lessness. It's gonna be you get my point. Let's start. You know, remember guys when your mom used to be like, well, she used to shout at you for eating cereal with a fork. Well, it's one of the things that you actually can do at home. Just make sure your mom is not at home because she's... Just don't. Huh? So, number 2 of the things that you actually can do at home, watch this. Hey girl. Now, number 3, on the top 3, well, it's not actually top 3, like now I've lost my mind. Me, sliding door, tonight. Never saw that coming, did ya? Back at it again, man on a mission, danger. Oh. Okay, well, that didn't work. Did I die though? Ha! That's what I'm talking about. And then there's that. Oh. So that, ladies and gentlemen, was the many things that you actually can do at home. Do I look scared of heights? No, I'm not.
That was Musha and Digi doing things at home that are safe for everybody.
No, those are
I want to try some of those things.
Extreme sports for
Plex.
Thomas, what have you been up to in the acting world? What's been your vibe recently?
I've been very fortunate to be doing films, man. I'm shooting my second feature film actually this year.
Okay.
So
blessed.
No.
I mean hashtag.
I'm a blessee.
Wait, no, you're a blesser.
I am blessing. Blesser. No, I'm the okay.
The blesser.
No, man. In fact, don't throw that word around me, okay? Because now I'm confused. Yeah, man. I've just been really fortunate. You know, it's a tough industry. You know, in terms of acting, it's either in a soapy or a telenovela or so forth. Yeah. And I've just been really fortunate to do feature films, and that's my crack. You know.
That's fantastic. Yeah. So you're acting in the movies now. You shot Ridiculousness in Spain. What was that experience like for you?
It was, how do I...
how you on board?
Filmado Ridiculousness on television program.
Thomas is speaking in Tsonga. That was not...
It was great, you know. Yeah. Just learning the culture, learning the language, having to think in Zulu. And then speaking English
and then translating to Spanish.
I was like, no man, you are good. You are killing it. You are all right.
You won this life game.
Take a picture of yourself, but that was not happening in the picture.
Is it?
Did not understand. But really, it was awesome. You know, Tony was out there. They called her Tony.
Ooh, Tony. Tony's one of our producers. Shout out to Tony.
She also took on a new new persona out there, which was great.
Fantastic.
Poetry, Basketmouth, everybody, man, all the guests who came through. It was just like a really great experience. I wish I had something like spicy, or I wish I had a complaint about my life.
Yeah.
My life is fine. It's the rest of what we need to fix in the country and whatever.
Sure.
So I'm like, hey, Nkosam, you know, I can't be having it good alone.
Yeah.
We must all gotta have it good.
Sure.
You know what I'm saying? So yeah, without being too serious, you know, let's get back to
it's all good. It's all good. What do you have lined up for the future? What's your vibe going forward now?
Everything, man. Everything that I can think of. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, the concept is just to die empty. You know, if you got a concept, try and pull it off. You know what I mean? If you
empty. I like that.
Yeah.
I really like that.
Use all you have. Flavor.
Yeah, come on, guys.
Guys, but MSG is so bad for you, and everyone's just putting aromats and stuff the whole time, and it's just GMOs, and it's like...
Like, seriously.
It's Makwamar Arch.
MSG.
And if I were born now, it's dangerous.
And that's what we
We didn't know it was bad. Now we must suffer.
Let us eat that MSG. Let's eat rice. We love it.
Now they have, what's this, gluten-free?
Yeah,
we didn't know
we want
what
that
gluten was.
Yeah.
Now we must be afraid of it.
Where did it come from?
We're gonna cut to a video that is full of gluten, full of aromat, full of starch, full of everything. This is Papa Action by KO, actually shot by the one and only Thomas, right? Come on, man.
Come on, with it.
But that's actually one of my favorite videos.
So parts of it was shot in Texas. So all the Texas parts, I was not just shooting, not just directing it, but I was actually behind the camera.
DOP.
And there was another cameraman. So I was second cam physically. Because I'll tell you why. Our DOP was supposed to go with us to America. Went to the embassy to fetch his visa, dressed in an Afghanistan check.
Far
It was 2 days before we had to leave.
Oh no!
I was like in an Afghanistan jacket.
Also, you would rather.
Okay, smile. I was like, this guy didn't want to go to America.
No, you didn't want to go.
So you had to take on the role. That's very interesting and it's very nice.
No, they didn't tell me I had to take on the role. I came straight into the thing.
Yes.
At the airport, they're like, oh yeah.
By the way.
You're a guy.
So I'm putting on the camera bag. I'm like, so who's gonna be shooting? If I'm carrying
you, my brother,
who's shooting? They're like, well,
guys, I'm also a cameraman. Catch me on.
Even in the show, the camera guys are chilling there on tripod.
Yeah.
They're like, no, we know how to work.
We work
Me,
there.
I'm filming KO, the bloody Now I'm saying,
with the hair with the young thing sitting on the lip.
I love that.
Let's cut to KO. Papa Action. It's been an awesome show.
Good
Everybody,
night.
peace out. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
Coming. You're awesome.
Thank you.
Salute. KO. Papa Action. We're out of here.
Kidding, the true king of the streets is me. Yeah, blew a check on Oxford Street in London. I'm talking to all your favorite rappers, booking fees. It's nothing crazy, shopping sprees. You're wondering if the currency exchange didn't make me exceed the budget. If there's any repercussions, maybe extra fees at customs. And my reply, for me it wasn't. It was easy, cousin. I did it all with ease and comfort. Hear my easy does it. I guess they wanna see me flexing, so I'm rolling up my sleeve. I'm starting on these suckers. Put your money where your mouth is. May out see you ain't gotta talk about it. Be about it. It's my year. More action, less talk. Mountain King, I'm right here. Papa Action, less talk. Yeah, matter of fact, no man. Skip and dust. Skip and dust. Came through the kid, skip and dust. Push some shit, skip and dust. Yeah, I'm talking about skip and dust. Skip and dust. If I want it, I put money on it. I make it back in the morning. Yeah, skip and dust. Real. Not everyone can do this. Not everyone. True king of the street.